Hey everyone, if you want to enable autosave in Excel in 2026 to prevent losing your work, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on autosave step by step. First, autosave automatically saves your work in real time. This helps prevent data loss from crashes or accidental closures. Before enabling autosave, make sure your file is saved in OneDrive or SharePoint. Yeah, autosave only works with cloud-based files. Next, open your Excel workbook. Make sure it's stored in the correct cloud location. Now look at the top left corner of Excel. So you'll see an autosave toggle switch. Click the autosave toggle to turn it on. Yeah, once enabled, Excel will automatically save every change you make. If prompted, sign in to your Microsoft account. Autosave requires an active OneDrive connection. Now make a small change in your spreadsheet. You'll see the file saving automatically without pressing Control. Plus, you can also use version history to restore previous versions. So this is useful if you make mistakes. If autosave is not available, check if your file is stored locally. Yeah, moving it to OneDrive usually fixes the issue. Make sure Excel is updated to the latest version. Older versions may not support autosave properly, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable autosave in Excel in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.